Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Today I want to talk to you about the 5 most common questions we get about mechanical from our diesel experts. So the first question, will I get more power by deleting my DPF? And the short answer of that is no. If you're custom dyno tuning your vehicle correctly so it's safe and reliable, you're not going to see a difference that you're even going to notice from removing the DPF. The second point to that is it's illegal. It makes your vehicle no longer roadworthy, and if you do have an incident with your insurance company, there's a chance they can refuse the claim. So it's a big no from me, and we certainly don't advise you to do it. Can you get some more power? Maybe in your V8 Cruiser, if you load a bucket load of fuel into it, you'll see some increases in power, but what does that in turn mean when you're towing? Increased heat, and it's not great for your engine as well. While I'm speaking about the Cruisers, the number 2 question, do I have to upgrade my clutch in my 70 series Land Cruiser if I want to get it tuned? Yes, you do. The factory Toyota clutch just cannot handle the additional torque that will generate through a custom dyno tune. You're talking about north of 80% gains in torque through the vehicle from just doing a custom dyno tune. The factory Toyota clutch just won't handle it. An upgraded NPC clutch, 1300 Nm is what we use here as our priority clutch for all our cars. Number 3, this is a really good one. If I have a catch can fitted since new, do I still need to get a non-car chemical soot clean or the manifold clean? Well, yes you do. What happens is there's 2 components that contribute to making up soot in your manifold. One is from the EGR. Those exhaust gases recirculate back in through your manifold and create the layer of dry carbon on the top of the manifold and upper valve train. And 2, the crankcase ventilation, those oil vapors combine with those 2 and create that soot-like matter up in the manifold. So we need to clean it out. So there's 2 parts to contribution to making soot in your motor, the oil vapors and the exhaust gases from the EGR. The 4th question, I do a lot of highway driving, so I'm quite confident my manifold's not going to be sooted up. In a lot of instances, in a lot of common rail diesels, your vehicle, in some occasions, the actual EGR is open 20 and 30% even when you are driving on the highway. So if you are doing highway driving for your vehicle, which is great, the EGR is still opening in a lot of occasions for that vehicle. So it's still getting those exhaust gases recirculating in through your manifold. So the answer is yes, it will still be sooting up even doing the highway Ks. The final one, number 5, I've just put an upgraded intercooler on my vehicle. Do I need to get it tuned to suit? Firstly, you do. An upgraded intercooler usually sees the engine run a lot more efficient and the fuel mixtures run a lot leaner, so it can be a little bit doughier through the mid-range. Custom dyno tuning the vehicle will change those parameters with air-fuel mixtures on the engine, and you'll see really, really nice improvements from that upgrade you've done with the intercooler. So guys, there are 5 questions we get our diesel experts deal with every day when they're talking to customers about custom dyno tuning their car. Hope they help you. If you do have any questions, make sure you speak to our diesel experts about custom dyno tuning your common rail diesel.